Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Amir Issacs, VP of Partnerships at EndoTech, and today we're going to create our first sub-account on Bitfinex. First step, click on your profile icon and choose sub-account. Enter your email, username, and password to register your new sub-account. Remember, upon creating API keys for the sub-account, make sure you're choosing the right account on the API page. For more information regarding sub-accounts, please get in touch with our support team at endotech.io. Good luck and thank you for choosing EndoTech.